Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a box squat, and I'm really excited to share this with you. I find that barbell squatting is very scary. Lots of people can find it intimidating, and this is a great way to learn how to get that barbell on your back and get squatting comfortably, safely, and feeling happy about what it is you're doing. Like, I'll be honest, I really struggle with a barbell squat. With such long legs and everything, I find it really difficult to do. And therefore, I find this variation really useful and really helpful. So, the first thing you're gonna need is a barbell set up to an appropriate height for you. It's a bit low for me, but we'll see how we get on. And a box. Now, this is the first thing. A lot of people, when they do the box squat, is they're gonna set it up like this. They're gonna set it up square to the bar. Now, this is a little trick that my friend Jordan taught me. Jordan Syap at Syap Fitness. Follow him if you want. He's an absolute legend. And what you want to do is you want to just turn the box like so. And then what you can do is you can get the box in between your legs. Can you see that there? So that when you come down, you feel safer. You feel more comfortable. It's going between your legs, and you know that you're safe. You know that you're not going to miss the box or the bench, however you're doing this. And it's just really, it takes a lot of pressure off, basically, which is what we're after. So that's my number one tip. You want to grab a bar. This one's 20 kilos. And as I said, you want to set it to a height that's appropriate for you. That will probably be about right for me. Now you'll notice I'm showing you the side angle because I want you to be able to see my hips and my entire body as I come down, as opposed to worrying too much about the bar. But right now we're going to shoot up a little bit so you can see where I put the bar on my back, just to give you a bit of advice there. Now we're back. What I'm going to do is, just while I talk you through this, I'm going to move the box out of the way. Oh, that's a heavy box. And let's talk you through the positioning for the bar on your back. Now you'll see a lot of people, they'll try and line it up here, right on the neck. Right there, right on the neck, as they're new or maybe a bit nervous to lifting. They think that's kind of where it's got to go. Whereas remember, this is called a barbell back squat. And yes, we're going to do the box position, but this is called the barbell back squat. And with that, that means that we really want to make sure we get the bar on the back. So there's two positions you can have. You can have a high bar position. And as you can see, it's quite high up my back, almost across the shoulders a little bit. And I personally don't prefer this for myself. I prefer, because I'm taller, I prefer a lower bar position, which is more like here. And then I'll just lower it down kind of onto sort of midway down the shoulder blades. Another thing I'm doing is I'm pulling in really tight on that bar, pulling my elbows back and pushing my chest forward to make sure that I'm going down and I'm building tension through my whole body, and also that I know the bar is not going to move when I do the squat. Now, I've brought the box back in, I've angled it so it can go between my feet, and now we're going to do our first box squat, which is really exciting. So, hands on the bar, however you find best. Tuck your head under, pull the shoulder blades together, get it into that position on the back that we've just discussed, and now you're ready to do the squat. And all you're going to do is send the hips back and then break the knees. You're going to come down onto the box like so, and up again. 1, 2. Now, there's a big temptation when you do this, a massive temptation when you do this, to come down, kind of sit down, and then kind of swing and come up like so. Now, we kind of want to make sure that we're not squatting with momentum, because the point of this exercise is to build you up and to make sure that you're going to feel comfortable when it comes to doing the actual squat, the barbell squat. This is the stepping stone to that. And if you learn how to do momentum and squat down onto the box and then use that momentum to stand up again here, then that's going to translate when it comes to actually doing the barbell back squat. It's going to cause lots of problems for you. So we don't want to do that. You're almost just using the box not to lean on, not to rest on, but you're just going to touch and go. Just like so. Touch and go. And then when I stand up, I mean, really and truly, all that's happening is my thighs are touching the box. I'm not even sitting on it. It's not there to be sat down to, it's there to be reference to, I think is the best way to put it. And in order to stand up, all I do is push my heels into the floor. I always say to my clients, explore the floor more. You can't explore the floor enough. when you're doing squats, deadlifts, any kind of lift really. And therefore, that's all you need to do. Push through the floor, stand up. And there's one other thing that I see with a lot of people when they're doing squats with bars or deadlifts with bars, and that's they only 95, I call it 95%ing. And that means that when they stand up, they kind of hold their hips back here a little bit. Let's not do that. Let's get a full hip extension through. Let's make sure you push the hips right through, squeeze the glutes at the top. I don't want you kind of doing this, but you just want to make sure you get a full extension and then you come back down. And a full extension means that your pelvis is neutral. You're not pushing through like you'll see on Instagram. You know, you see a lot of people doing deadlifts and all they're doing is pushing and thrusting forward. We don't need any of that, please. All you need to do is just get your pelvis into a neutral position, get your pelvis and shoulders aligned, and then you're good to go. And that is the barbell back squat. You're gonna really enjoy it. Well, it's the barbell back box squat. You're gonna really enjoy doing it, and it's gonna feel very empowering, being able to do a squat like this with the box in a safe position with a bar. Now this bar is 20 kilos. In the gym I'm in, we've got a red one, which I'm currently using as a tripod, and that's 15 kilos. Any good gym will have other barbell options for you if you don't feel safe doing a 20 kilo barbell box squat. Barbell back box squat. Try saying that 10 times fast. Barbell back box squat, barbell back box squat, barbell back box squat. All that actor training has paid off. Yes, so you'll feel really empowered by doing it. You can use the lighter barbells that other gyms have and just explore and enjoy. And then as you progress, you can start adding weight to it and you can start feeling really strong, really good, really empowered as you do this exercise. Thanks for being here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then please feel free to put them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and just have an awesome day for me. Thank you so much for being here. It really, really, really does mean an awful lot to me. You have a great day. I'll speak to you real soon. Ciao, ciao. Barbell box back squat, barbell box back squat, barbell box back squat, barbell box back squat, barbell back box squat.